Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've finally got round to restoring this commemorative razor set by Wilkinson Sword. As you can see, it's quite nice and shiny. It's basically a wooden box, looks like it's made from oak, and then it's bound by this very elaborate decorative, I think it's brass, nickel plated brass, quite ornate, and it's to commemorate 25 years of George V from 1910 to 1936. So it's all polished up nice and clean. I've cleaned out the inside. Got the original Jubilee and the original instructions here. I'll just take out the blade holder. The razor itself has cleaned up a treat, both the handle and the head. This is the actual blade holder, which I described how to use this razor in the previous video, and I did a before and after restoration. But basically, you load up your blade into this little holder there, which clamps down and fits into the two lugs here. Quite a simple operation. And what makes this quite unique, I think, is the fact that we've got two blades in here, which are still in their original packaging. I've not even opened these because they've still got the original grease on them, so I've left it as is. So I'm not shave testing it because I think that would spoil things for the discerning collector who wants to keep it basically as it is. There's a couple of spare blades, they'll probably need honing, but for the rest it's quite a nice little package. Nice and clean inside. Got the razor back in there, all nice and neat. So it's ready to go to its next home, and if the new owner wants to use the original blades, that's fine, that's okay. But if he wants to keep it as an investment, shall we say, then this is quite a unique little gem. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and I will catch up with you later on in the week. Bye for now. Have a good weekend. Keep well, stay safe. Bye.